Alright, let's look at this probability question. A bag contains 24 identical sticks. Half are blue, 3 over 8 are green, and the rest are yellow. So actually, let's try to construct that. Alright, we have 24 sticks in total. Half are blue. So I can say for the blue one, half of 24, which is 12, are blue. How many are green? 3 over 8. So I can actually say 3 over 8 of 24, which is 9, green. And the rest are yellow, so I can just say 24, subtract away the blue ones, subtract away the green ones. I get 3 yellow. So that tells me how many of each stick I have. And then two people, Gayatri and Hasman, take turns to draw a stick from the bag without replacement. And the first person to draw a yellow stick will win and the game ends. So given that Gayatri takes the first draw and then Hasman takes the second draw and so forth, draw a tree diagram. So the first draw really is by whom? Gayatri. So we can say Gayatri takes the first draw. And what can he get? He can either get blue, green, or yellow. Alright? And then for the next draw, who draws it? Hasman draws it, and he can, from whatever Gayatri gets, if he gets blue, Hasman can still get blue, green, or yellow. Right? He can get blue, green, or yellow. And even if Gayatri drew yellow at the first round, we still have some yellow left. So he can still draw a blue, green, or a yellow. Right? And the probability that so let's look at the first one, Gayatri. Probability he gets a blue is simply 12 divided by 24, which is half. So this is half, 12 divided by 24. And then for green, you can say that it is 9 divided by 24. So this is 9 over 24, which is 3 over 8. And for yellow, it's simply 3 over 24, which is 1/8. Cool. And so, for Hasman, if let's say for the first round, Gayatri drew a blue one, so it means that Hasman will only have 11 blue left. So over here, you must remember that Hasman only has 23 sticks left. And so, if let's say Gayatri drew a blue at first, how many blue are left? 11. So this will simply be 11. 11 blues are left out of total of 23 sticks that are left. And for green, if Gayatri drew a blue at first, same number of green, right? He didn't draw a green, so you still have 9 green left. So this is simply going to be 9 green over 23 sticks left. And for yellow, it's simply going to be 3 yellow, because Gayatri did not draw a yellow, he drew a blue. So 3 over 23. And then we do the same for Hasman. If Gayatri drew a green at first, then we have 8 green left. So for green, it's going to be 8 green left, so 8 over 23. For the blue, still 12, no change. And for the yellow, also still 3, no change. And then we do for the last one. If Gayatri drew a yellow for the first round, then the yellow will be dropping from 3 to 2. But wait, if Gayatri drew a yellow for the first round, what happens? The first person to draw a yellow stick wins the game. That means, too bad. If Gayatri draws a yellow, he wins the game. That's it. This doesn't exist at all. So that's it. Yeah. So now let's find the probability that Hasman wins the game on his first draw. That means Hasman wins by drawing a yellow. So he must draw a yellow here. Of course, Gayatri cannot win, so Gayatri cannot draw a yellow. So there are only 2 possibilities. One possibility is that Gayatri draws a blue and then Hasman draws a yellow. Or Gayatri draws a green, Hasman draws a yellow. 2 possibilities. And so we calculate both of them. So probability that is blue and then yellow. So let's just write it this way. Probability and then blue, yellow is simply half multiplied by 3 over 23. right? And the probability that it is green and then yellow is actually 3 over 8 multiplied by 3 over 23. And so both cases are okay, so we just add them up. We just add them up. So this gives me 3 over 46, and this gives me 9 over 184. And so I add them up, and this gives me a final answer, 21 over 184. Yep. Alright, for part C, find the probability that the first 3 sticks drawn are of the same color. So we have 2 possibilities. The first possibility is that probability that it gets blue, blue, blue. And the second probability is that you get green, green, green. Now we cannot get the probability yellow, yellow, yellow. This is impossible because the moment someone draws the first yellow, the game wins. The person wins, the game ends. So only 2 possibilities, blue, 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 and green, green, green. And so the probability for it to be blue, 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 it's basically blue, blue, and then blue again. So or green, green, and then green again. Of course, we don't have this part, but actually, we don't actually need it. We can think about it. If we get blue here, there's 12 over 24, and then to get blue here is 12 sticks. You took 1 blue away, so you have 11 sticks left. Out of total number of 24 sticks, if you took 1 away, you have 23 left. And so the probability that you will get another blue here simply will be 10, right? If you have 11 blue sticks, you take 1 away, you have 10 blue sticks left. 23 total sticks, you took 1 away, you have 22. You have 22 left. And so for the green, green, green one, you can see over here, to get green again, simply will be 9 over 24. You took 1 away, you get 8. 24, you took 1 away, 23. Over here, if you take 1 more green away, you should get 7 over 22. Right? 7 green sticks left over a total number of 22 left. And so we have two possibilities. One is blue, blue, blue. The other one is green, green, green. And if you follow those, we can do it. So probably blue, blue, blue is simply 12 over 24 multiplied by 11 over 23 multiplied by 10 over 22. And green, green, green is simply 9 over 24 multiplied by 8 over 23 multiplied by 7 over 22. Yep. And then, of course, we add both probabilities up, but let's calculate each one first. So this gives me 5 over 46, and this gives me 21 over 506. And both possibilities are okay, both cases are okay, so we add them up. 38 over 253. There we go. And for the last part, it says if the game ends at the nth draw, state the greatest possible value of n. So if you remember, we had 24 sticks, right? And we had 12. It was consisting of 12 blue, 9 green, and 3 yellow. Total 24. So the game ends when someone draws a yellow. So if you want the greatest possible value of n, that means like you don't want anyone to draw a yellow until you have no choice. You have only yellow left. So you're going to have someone draw blue, green, blue, green, blue, green, or whichever. And total, right? That means you have, how many sticks do you have here? 12 plus 9. You have 21 sticks here. That means you want all 21 sticks to be taken. And then the next draw, at the 22nd draw, someone has to draw a yellow. Because after taking 21 sticks, basically all the blue and green ones, if you take them all away, you're only left with 3 yellow ones. At that point, whoever draws a stick will definitely draw a yellow because you only have yellow left. And that is the 22nd stick. That is the 22nd round. There we go. N is 22.